Hello everyone. In this video, we will tell you about the Part tab in the Hyper app. In this tab, you can both add and import your parts for further work. Let's start with adding standard parts. To do this, you need to click Add Part, and then you'll have access to pre-prepared parts. Also, if you click the 3D button, a file explorer will open for selecting a file to import. After you select the type of part you need, you can edit its dimensions. Additionally, after editing, you can manually set the grip position. Or edit it manually. After you have edited your part, you need to click the Apply button. After that, if you need to import your part, you must click the Import button, select your part, and it will be available for editing. You can also set the grip point in it. And after you have edited your part, click the Apply button. Once your parts are ready, you can place them on the trays you created in the Cell tab. To fill the entire tray, you can hold any point and click Yes. Also, to cancel your action, you can hold your part and cancel this function. Your parts are ready for work, and you can now move on to the Programming tab.